Hello guys, welcome to the video guide. Today I'm here to explore WordPress and we will be taking some steps to install the WordPress. For that you need to download WordPress. That's from the wordpress.org. Let me open my website. So that's wordpress.org, and you can see here, and then you just at the corner on the right you'll see get WordPress. Now if you go over here you can see the latest version. If you want the other version, I think there should be some older version at the download, but I prefer to go with the latest one. If you click over here, then it will start downloading. I have already downloaded, so I don't need to download one more time. So just close this one. And other things you need is a XAMPP or any other local servers. Some prefers XAMPP, some prefers local machine. So if you go local, then that's too easy to do that one. But we will obviously look into that one later in other videos. But today specifically, I'll use for XAMPP. Um, when you download the WordPress, they will give you the WordPress folder. If you go over here and check the files, whatever the files, the main important is WP content. And then if you go over themes, if you want to create themes or plugins, you have to play with these folders. So themes, mostly we will look around themes, and there are three themes already in the folder. I'll close them, and for that you need to open your XAMPP. My XAMPP is here. So the first look of the XAMPP is a bit old classy, but it works exactly what we want. So let me open the Apache as well as MySQL. So it's already green, that means it's working fine. Now I can close this one as it will be running in our background. For this one we need to check whether it's I mean, for running nicely we have to go over here and find the SD docs. So where is it? It's in the PC C drive, the jam, and in the SD docs folder. Here you will see a sort of files, but the main thing is we need this WordPress over here, and I can do like that easily. And what I will do is, I don't want to download every time WordPress from wordpress.org since this is the latest version. So I'll just create Ctrl C and Ctrl V. That means I'm going to copy the WordPress file over here, and I think it will take a lot of time, so I don't want to mess with that. Okay, let's give 2 minutes for this one. I'll change the copy name later on. So that's my own portfolio. So I'll write here port FOLIO portfolio. Will it give me to change? No, I don't think it will give me to change. So we'll just wait for some 25 seconds. If you have anything to ask, you can just leave the message into the comment section or into the chat section. So why I do this? Because I don't want to download it from the official website again, since this is the latest one. So I'll keep the copy one here, so that next time if I need to create a new website, I don't want to make it from download. I'll just change the name of this one to my portfolio, and it's changed. Now if you go and into your browser and say localhost, let me see a localhost / my portfolio, then you should see the first page of the WordPress installing. So you can choose a language from here. Different languages are there nowadays, so many languages. I don't know how much exactly there are, but there are a lot of languages. Mostly we'll choose the English. Then for this it will ask you something. You have to be very careful in in this phase. So it's asking for you to write the database name, database username, database password, and database host. Since this is new to WordPress, let's go. So yeah, what's your database name? What you want to create, the name of the database you want to use for this WordPress. Since this is my portfolio, I'll just write portfolio, which is like similar to the one. And this is the admin access. For now, this is just the dummy one, so I'll just keep admin. The password will be same as like that, and the database will be my local host, so I'll just leave it as this one. Table prefix is WP, but for the security purposes don't use WP. I don't recommend you to use WP because WP is a general that keeps by WordPress, and maybe somebody can inject SQL inject into your website. So for this one I may give RW and then underscore. So if you want to run multiple WordPress instead of single database, so I'll just do this one. Now just to submit, but it's a error establishing a database connection. That's why I say you have to be very careful in this matter. So what it says is that in your wp config php file that's incorrect. Yeah, so just try again one more time, and then password localhost rw, that's correct. Your okay, so username and password for your database is given by your WordPress. So we go my portfolio, and if you go a little bit down, then you should see there should be one wp config.sample, and then let me open this file. So here will be your database file. You need to give the name, database name here. Yeah, so now it's not given anything, so I'll just give here admin, and the username also. What's the database name? Sorry, the database name here. So database name was portfolio port f port folio portfolio, and the username is admin, and my password was also admin, and I don't want to change any other things. Now I'll save this one, Control S for saving. Now close these things, and just copy this and paste it. Now you will have both these things. Now just go and rename that sample to wp config. Now just enter it. Now again go back to your WordPress and portfolio admin. I don't want other things. Now go submit. Now you see, sorry, I need wp config. Sorry, I need wp php file to work. Please re-upload. Okay. So we need to go over here and then just remove them, copy and sample, then just enter it, and you go back and then go back and then just submit. It already exists. Do you want to reset your configuration? Please delete it first. Why are you creating a problem for me? So they say you want to delete. Okay, I want to delete this. Okay, now go and refresh the page and see is it giving you permission. Okay, go over English and continue. Let's go. Okay, we haven't read the message here. Let's go and check. Resubmit the file. I'm back. English. Then the information is being used to create. Okay, if you have any reason automatic reason doesn't work, worry. You don't need to all these things fill in the resolution conversion file. You also simply open the complete simple text feature. Save the wp config. Need more file. Okay, let's go. Then that's my portfolio. Lastly is okay. Then this one. I just want to do the one. Yeah, that's the password for admin. Let me do submit. either the means of username and password information in wp config is incorrect, or so it's not going to create you, or I don't know. What we can do is docs, then my portfolio, yeah, then go inside, then you see config, then let's copy and paste, then make it to simple page and then enter, and then just go and refresh the page, and then you may try installing it now. Continue. If you need to reset your configuration items, please delete it fast. Okay, I delete it. Now go over here and refresh the page. Continue. Let's go. Database name is portfolio. Username is root and the password is nothing. Then localhost. Okay, now submit. Can't select database server. Are you sure if exists? It does not exist. That's why you need to create it. So guys, it's making a lot of problem, but I think I haven't done that one. PHP my admin. So for creating a web database, you need to go to PHP my admin, and then you'll see a list of database over here. Just go to new and then create a database portfolio. Then just click do not do anything. Now go back to here and then just write here submit. Alright, now we are ready to see the things from the installation. That's our first step, that's why we just go with the flow. Site title will be our portfolio, portfolio. Username is admin and I give the password also admin. Confirm password. Email, if you want to keep email you can use email, but for now I'll just keep that's somewhere gmail.com. That's my password. Search engine, for now you can discourage, but I don't discourage now because that's a local, we are working as a local. So now if you see in the database there was nothing, but now the time you'll see lots of files over here already built here. It's not giving you right now, but after some time you'll be seeing every details over there. Oh, what is this? Are you sure you don't want me to access this page? Are you sure? Go and check one more time. Close the PHP my admin. It says SQL is not working. Check the SQL. Oh, that's why. See, SQL is not working. Let's close this one. And there are lots of things. I'll start it one more time. Okay, it's now running 3306. Now go and open this page. You see this one. I'll go to portfolio. You will see these things only. Now go over here, back over here, and then install it one more time. Okay, it says it was before only, but now it's okay. So that's my admin, and then go to login page. Oh, is it Kieran? I'll just go WP users. refresh the page and go to portfolio and go to users, WP users. It just does not exist in Zine. What the heck is this? Not it like this. I don't remember. I just put admin, I think. Oh. It does not create the files. That means there is something missing things. So guys, we successfully created the website, but we didn't do it properly, so it was the waste of time, waste of things. I will delete the WordPress config file one more time, delete it, and if we go here and then it does this one, it should give us to install from the beginning. Now let's go to continue, and then let's go, and then we have portfolio. Before username was in our username, the PHP, it will be root and there won't be any password. We will do the localhost, and I want to start from R, and then let's go to submit. Then that works perfectly. Now let's go and see. Site title is portfolio, username is admin, and password is also admin. I want to use the unique password and install it. Okay, admin is now success. Now go again and log in. Now go and log in. That's the correct way. We did something error there because earlier I think my SQL went in somewhere else. That's why it doesn't allow me. Yeah, that's the first screen you see when you log in correctly. Before it was showing something error, but now if you go and check your portfolio and your users, you should see WP users. Whatever comes into RP is our new file, so go over RP users and see admin with the password, and then every details are over here. That's our database. Now we don't need database, we can close that one. We go to appearance. Where are you? We go to appearance and themes, and there we can see 3 themes. I quickly make a new theme. So let me make this one, theme details, and if you see here the theme's name is 2024. So I'll make the child theme for this one. I'll go to here and then go to WP content and then themes, and then here 2024. Go over here. Here is lots of things over here. I don't want to go there. I'll just create here. You go here and then open a new file. So here I'm gonna create a new folder, and that's the portfolio. Okay, so there's a portfolio. Portfolio I'll keep inside the 2024 portfolio. I go over here, and then what we need is one screenshot, one style. So just go over here and then copy, go to portfolio and then paste it. Make sure the names are with the small letters. So yeah, now let's click and then open in terminal, and then what you can do is for opening into this, we can just open into the VS file. So just write cod code space full stop. Then you can, yeah, you can see all the folders from portfolio inside here. Now we just need to style CSS, theme name 2024, theme name we will put here portfolio, and other thing we will just keep as it is. Now save the file and then go back to appearance, themes. You should see, oh, it's not there. Go back, then here, then here, and we will just take this out to the themes and then paste it. So it's open the program. I think it's opening over here. Go close the window and try again. Paste it. Control X, themes, Control V. Okay, now it should come, I guess. Okay, broken themes. Why? Because we are using the same thing over there, that's why. And even we don't have index.php, so for that we just need to go to portfolio and then go to style, open in VS Code. Now theme URL, theme author, URL description, tested of required PHP version, license, domain. I will delete these all from over here. I don't need this. Maybe I don't need this one too. Also this one too. This I will write the theme name, save it, and then go back to okay. It's not saving. Why it's not saving? Alright, that's all for today, and we will continually see from here in the next session.